Hello and welcome to the channel of Craft Tower Tops. Today I will be showing you how to make a single crochet stitch. If we're talking about amigurumis or toys, the most popular and used stitch is a single crochet stitch. For example, on this toy you can see how it looks. This toy was also crocheted using single crochet stitch. This is the right side, so you can see how a single crochet stitch looks on the right side. If we are not crocheting in a spiral, but first on one side and then turn the project and on the other side, the single crochet stitch looks something like that. First, I will show you how to make a single crochet stitch on the right side. For example, for crocheting an amigurumi in a spiral. When we are crocheting on the right side, we can see these loops that look like a letter V, and it sort of looks at us. To start crocheting your single crochet stitch, we need to insert our hook into the stitch under the two loops, so to say under our letter V. Then yarn over the thread that we're working with, take it with a hook and pull it through the stitch. Now we have two loops on our crochet hook. Again, yarn over and pull the thread through the two loops that we had on the hook. This is it. This is how to make a single crochet stitch. I will show you one more time. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through the stitch. Now we have two loops on the hook. Again, yarn over and pull the thread through the two loops that we have on the hook. So this is how to make a single crochet stitch. If we are crocheting not on the right side, when you can see the stitches and the loops, so we are not crocheting in a spiral like for example in amigurumis, but we are crocheting from right to left, finishing our row, turning our project and crocheting the next row again from right to left, then we need to search for our letter V, but so to say it's looking away from us. We need to insert our hook underneath the bows loops, yarn over and pull it through the stitch. Now on the hook we have two loops. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the two loops on the hook. One more time. Insert your hook in the next stitch under both loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull it through the two loops. Insert the hook in the stitch under the two loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Two loops on the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through the two loops. This is how we crochet a single crochet stitch on the right side and on the wrong side of your project. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and don't forget to hit the like button.